When Lamborghini first launched the Urus, it redefined what an SUV could do. Now, for 2026, the bull has evolved. This is the 2026 Lamborghini Urus SE, the first ever plug-in hybrid super SUV from Sant'Agata Bolognese. But don't let the word hybrid fool you. This isn't about fuel economy. It's about more power, more torque, and a sharper driving experience than ever before. Today, we're going to find out if the hybrid heart makes this the ultimate daily driver exotic. Asterisk at first glance, the Urus SE looks leaner and more athletic. Lamborghini has tweaked the design with a new floating hood, inspired by the Revuelto, which eliminates the shut lines for a cleaner look. The Matrix-LED headlights feature a new signature inspired by the bull's tail, and the front grille has been redesigned for better cooling of that hybrid powertrain. At the rear, everything is more aggressive. There's a new diffuser, a revised tailgate, and a redesigned spoiler that increases downforce by 35% at high speeds. Our test model is sitting on massive 23-inch Galanthus forged wheels. It still looks like a stealth fighter, but now it has a more sophisticated, modern edge. Asterisk inside the cabin, Lamborghini has doubled down on technology. The centerpiece is the upgraded 12.3-inch central touchscreen, running the latest human-machine interface (HMI). It's faster, crisper, and features dedicated hybrid telemetry, so you can see exactly where your power is going. The Tamburo drive selector, that famous lever that feels like a jet fighter throttle, now includes new hybrid modes like EV Drive, Hybrid, and Recharge. But even with all the new tech, it's still a Lamborghini. You're surrounded by high-grade Alcantara, carbon fiber, and Q-Citra stitching. It's a space that feels special every time you sit in it, whether you're heading to the track or the grocery store. Asterisk now for the big news. Under the hood is the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but it's now assisted by a permanent magnet synchronous electric motor. The total output, a staggering 800 horsepower and 950 Newton-meters of torque. Asterisk the 2026 Lamborghini Urus SE is a masterstroke. It takes everything we loved about the original Urus, the speed, the drama, the presence, and adds a layer of modern efficiency and even more brutal performance. It's a car that can be a silent city cruiser 1 minute and a track monster the next. But what do you think? Does the hybrid setup take away from the Lamborghini soul, or is this the perfect evolution of the super SUV? Drop a comment below and let's talk.